Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be reviewing this neat little product. It's called LifeePro, and it's an external battery case for the Galaxy Note 9. I find this very useful. However, there are a couple of downsides that I want to bring to your attention. One, it doesn't hold its charge over time. So in other words, if your phone starts to deplete and it's down to 10%, this is not 100%. So it's probably 90. So it does have some sort of, the energy is leaking from the battery. It works. It will charge your phone up to 100% one time. You only have one chance, not 1.5, not 1.2, one time, just about one, because of the voltage leakage of the battery. It's dropping. The other negative thing about this is that you cannot transfer media when this is connected to the phone. It's only for charging. I can't plug it into my PC and transfer files from my phone to the PC because they disabled that function. So I have to take the phone out, plug it into the computer, and it'll work perfectly fine. So those are two deal breakers for me. I'm not going to return it because it does work and does charge your phone. However, I will have to take the phone out to do that, and that's kind of an inconvenience for me because that's the whole point of me buying this, to keep it together. So now, if you noticed, I don't have it on. I have it right here in another case because I can't use it because I take pictures all the time and I need to be able to plug it in to my PC and transfer the files. So I will have a link in the description below if you are interested in this, and what I just said is not a deal breaker for you, but I'm going to give it 3 stars because that's all I think it deserves because of those 2 major flaws. So guys, if you think this video was great and it deserves a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so you get notified of new videos. Take care and we'll see you next time.